just so wrong. I should be taking care of my little girl today, not the other way around.
I'm not a little girl anymore.
No, you're not. You are a beautiful, brave, extraordinary woman, in spite of me.
That's not true. I am who I am because of you.
Oh, I don't know how you can say that after all the horrific stunts I've pulled.
Because they taught me what kind of wife and mother I didn't want to be. But, do you want to know what else you've taught me? That there's hope.
Really?
Look at us. Talking, smiling. I mean, this is something I thought we'd never have again.
It's all I ever wanted, Mandy.
And to see you open up to Jake, it meant so much to me to see you accept him and maybe even like him.
Maybe. But just a little.
I'll take it.
I'll put you through hell. And back, and still. You love me?
You're my mom.
You're gonna kick this surgery's backside, Mandy. Come out stronger than ever.
I hope you're right.
Oh, I am. A mother knows these things. And I just want you to remember that wherever I end up, my heart will always be with you. And I am just so grateful. I am so grateful that I get to be here now.
Mom, I'm scared.
Come here. Come here.